Here's a quick video on how I upgraded my garage door wall control. I am not a professional in this area, but installation was pretty quick and simple. Before you begin your upgrade project, you should consult your user's manual. I also reached out to the manufacturer of my garage door opener to confirm compatibility before I started. I recommend that you turn off the power at the breaker box before you begin and use drywall anchors. The outside temperature was about 118 degrees on the day my wall panel arrived, so I wanted to hurry up and get this project over with, so I proceeded without drywall anchors because we hadn't had any problems with that before. My old wall switch had one button that operated both the light and garage door. This new panel would also allow me to only turn the motor lights on and lock the garage door. Locking the garage door disables the motor's radio from receiving signals from the garage door remote controls. It's also called vacation mode. I was talking with some of the guys from work, and they mentioned that they were interested in doing the same project at their homes. I did some brief internet searching, and I didn't find much about upgrading garage door wall switches. Knowing that other people were interested in this too, I decided to document the install. Really, all you have to do is connect the white wire with the red stripe to the screw marked R and the white wire to the screw marked W. As you can see, I used a bubble level to ensure that I mounted the panel straight. Had I known this was possible and so affordable, I would have done this years ago. My Amazon affiliate links are in the description to both Liftmaster wall switches in this video. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.